Do you want to make your text animations pop? In just a few minutes, I will show you how to create a sliding, stunning effect in DaVinci Resolve that will captivate your audience and elevate your videos to the next level. With that, we're going to create a fusion composition. With a new fusion composition created, we're going to put that onto our timeline. With that selected and on our timeline, we're going to go over to our fusion page. And once inside of the fusion page, we are going to then bring in a text plus node and connect that to our media out. With our text selected, we're going to go over and we're going to type in whatever it is that we want to type in. We can change the color or size. In this case, we will change the size a little bit, but we're going to leave our text color for now as a white. Inside our text box, we're going to right click and we're going to select follower. And with the follower selected, we're going to click on the modifiers tab. And within the modifiers tab, we're going to select shading. With the shading selected, we're going to go to the opacity and create a keyframe at 1.0. After that, we're going to go down to the offset XY and create a keyframe at -0.3. From there, we're going to double click follower. We're going to reduce our opacity down to 0, and that will create another keyframe. From there, we're going to move our playhead up 10 frames. We can do that by selecting here and typing in 10. That will move our playhead 10 frames forward. It can be as many frames as you want. From there, we're going to increase our opacity back up 1.0, and that should create another keyframe. Offset Y should then also be set to 0, and that will create yet another keyframe. From there, we're going to go all the way back up to, and we're going to select timing, and the order of timing will be changed from automatic to left to right. With that, we can modify our delay to about 2. From there, we're going to go up and select spline, and we're going to include all of our keyframes. So select text 1, and with that selected, we are going to then control A to select all of our keyframes, and from there we're going to right click and ease out cubic. That should give us that smooth text flow from top to bottom. If you want to adjust this later and our XY offset a negative number that we had before, will bring the numbers or letters in from the bottom to the top. If we have a positive number, it's going to bring them in from the top down to the bottom. If we were to go over to our tab, we can then play this and you can see that the text will then move up smoothly.